in today's video, I'll be doing an eyeshadow look that I did last week for my graduation pictures. And I think I did a really good job. I might insert the picture somewhere here, right here, you know, maybe so you guys can see. But yeah, so I'm gonna do it again so you guys can see how I did it. Let's get into the video. Okay, so first I'll be starting off with my mini Fenty Beauty palette. Yeah. Anyway, so I'll be using Affogato, if that's how you pronounce it. It's this one here. I'll put this one on first. By the way, I'll be doing one eye on camera and the other one off camera. So stay tuned. Okay, next from the Masquerade palette by Juvia's, I'll be mixing, sorry it looks a bit messy. I'll be using, I think it's Ada and Zulu. Yeah, this one and this one. I'm gonna mix it. Okay, now that that's like that, here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna get a blending brush. Anyway, blending brush? I guess, yeah. You're just gonna okay, so now that that's done, you're just gonna get a lighter concealer. Normally I like to mix it with this. I'll probably mix a little bit of this with it. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer. And this is Suede, I think. Yeah, Suede. And this one is Light Ivory by, you know, LA Girl Pro Concealer. Yeah. At the time when I got this, I was colorblind, you see. So I got this one. Basically, just gonna, you know, mix the two together. Okay, so next I'll be using Nookie Rookie from the Fenty palette. Then I'm gonna mix it with Come and Get It. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'll be using Casablanca from the Juvia's palette, Masquerade. Okay. Anyway, so next I'm going to blend it out with Come and Get It. And finally, from the Fenty Beauty Highlight Kit, whatever you want to call it, Kilowatts, I'll be using Mo Money, this one. Okay, I was cleaning around my eyeshadow to give it that sharp edge cut look, and I used my concealer to draw a line and the sponge to buff it out a bit. Okay, so now that that's done, I just have to do my mascara and finish beating my full face, and I'll be back and show you the lucky look. Okay, so this is the look. I don't know, but I was nervous doing it over again. I don't know why, but I trust the process, and this is the outcome of it. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, let me know what you guys think below. Thumbs up. Peace out, baby.